If you're looking for a different yet tasty mousse, then this is the perfect recipe for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's get started.
We'll first prepare the glaze, so for that add 4 tablespoons mixed fruit jam to a pan. You can use any brand's ready-made mixed fruit jam. To this add water, so if you want to make thick glaze then add only 1/4 cup water. I'm adding half cup because I want to make thin glaze. Now using a whisk you need to mix the water and the jam very well so that there are no lumps. And bring it to a boil. You need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Now one tip, to make this glaze thick, the second thing which you can do is double the amount of corn flour. So that way this mixture will thicken more compared to what I'm doing right now. But I want the mixture to be like less thick and that tastes awesome. You can give this a try. Now switch off the flame and immediately strain the mixture just in case if there are any lumps, they will be gone. And after that you need to let this mixture cool down completely. Now in a separate bowl take 3/4 cup whipping cream. This is non-dairy whipping cream and it already has sugar in it and I'm going to whip it to stiff peaks. To this cold whipped cream, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons mixed fruit jam and just whisk for a few seconds more till the jam is incorporated into the whipped cream. And it's ready. So just I'm scraping the sides and mixing the entire cream well. Let's fill this mixture in a piping bag. If you do not have a piping bag, you can use any other plastic bag or you can also use regular eating spoons to fill the mousse cups with this cream. But this piping bag or a piping bag made of anything like this would make it easier for you to pipe this cream in the mousse cups. So this is ready. So here I have small 6 cups. These are glass cups. So fill each glass cup or the mousse cup with this cream and leave some space on the top. So I'm just using a spoon to level the cream like this. Refrigerate these for 15 to 20 minutes and this is the glaze. This has cooled down to room temperature. Like I mentioned in the video at the beginning and in the middle, this could be made thicker by increasing the amount of corn flour and decreasing the amount of water. And finally, I'm going to place some white chocolate garnishes. So I melted some white chocolate, piped them using a piping bag onto a paper into some random shapes and there they are. Again, you need to set this in your refrigerator for an hour or so and after that you can just dig in and enjoy this soft and liquidy, a very nice combination mousse. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.